All right, good afternoon, everybody. What are we going to talk about today? Let's talk about making beef stew. I keep adding into the playlist section, on this YouTube, my favorite Instapot recipes for other relatives and family, but it's also for all of you too if you want to take a shot at making some of this. But anyway, beef stew, this stuff works great, makes a fantastic meal. Let's jump over to the ingredients and let's discuss it real quick. Hit the space bar, write it down. Here we go. Okay, so here's the recipe that I follow, but as you get down here, like I said, you can tweak this, to whatever your liking is, but it makes a fantastic Instapot beef stew. Now, when I get down, as we go down, sometimes I add a little bit more carrots to this, and sometimes I add a little bit more of that beef chuck roast. So you can actually modify this, however, you want to. Really, won't hurt anything. Now, let me show you what you need to do once you have everything assembled and you're ready to go. Okay, so there's 10 steps in this whole process. Very easy to follow. Hit the space bar. Go ahead and read through them. Now, the one thing I did not have was the bay leaf. I left it out. Tastes fantastic. I didn't even worry about it. So if you don't have the bay leaf, don't worry about it. Now, I used cut stew meat. Now, if you don't have that, you want to buy the chuck roast or you want to do something different, go ahead and cut them up into cubes, but cut them up into the smaller cubes like I'm saying up here because it's a lot easier to cook them and then assemble everything. So that's your first little tip or two tips. You don't need the bay leaf. All right, so let's switch over to the last 3 steps. And like I said, hit the space bar anytime you want. Okay, and here are steps 8, 9, and 10. This is how easy it is to make. Turns out great every time. You can do like I'm doing. Anytime you think, hey, that was a great recipe, and you don't lost the piece of paper like I did or whatever, you just refer back to my YouTube channel, to this playlist, call it back up, hit the pause key, write the ingredients down, and you can duplicate this over and over. Okay, folks, you know something better, like I said, drop it below, give me a thumbs up, click subscribe. I'll see you again soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.